Ever wondered why some businesses seem to effortlessly accept payments from all over the world, while others are still stuck with a handful of options? The secret often lies in their payment infrastructure. And if you're a business looking to scale globally, activating payments on a platform like Airwallex is a game changer. This isn't just about accepting credit cards, it's about opening up a universe of local payment methods, currencies, and a seamless checkout experience for your customers, no matter where they are. So, how do you go from a standard business account to a global payments powerhouse with Airwallex? Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. First, you need to set up your Airwallex business account. This is the foundation for everything. During the account creation process, you'll provide your business details, and once verified, you'll have access to the dashboard. But simply having an account isn't enough to start accepting payments. This is where the magic begins. The second step is where you actually enable and configure your payment methods. Within your Airwallex dashboard, navigate to the Payments section. You'll find a dedicated area for payment methods. Here, you'll see a list of available options, from major credit card schemes like Visa and MasterCard to a vast array of popular local payment methods and digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. You can select and activate the ones that are most relevant to your business and your target markets. This is crucial. Offering a local payment option can significantly increase your conversion rates, as customers are more likely to complete a purchase using a method they know and trust. Finally, you need to integrate Airwallex with your existing business setup. Airwallex offers multiple ways to do this, catering to different levels of technical expertise. If you run an e-commerce store on a platform like Shopify or WooCommerce, the process is incredibly simple. Airwallex has plug-and-play plugins that you can install with just a few clicks. These plugins handle the heavy lifting, connecting your store directly to your Airwallex account so you can start accepting payments almost instantly. For businesses that require a more customized solution, you can use Airwallex's API. This gives you complete control over the checkout experience, allowing you to embed the payment form directly into your website or app. This option is perfect if you have a development team and want to create a truly bespoke payment flow for your customers. And for the simplest, no-code solution, you can use payment links. You can generate a secure payment link directly from your Airwallex account and share it with your customers via email, text, or social media. This is a fantastic option for businesses that don't have a website or for collecting one-off payments. Once you've integrated your chosen solution, remember to test everything thoroughly in the sandbox environment before going live. This ensures a smooth and secure experience for both you and your customers. With Airwallex, you're not just activating a payment gateway, you're building a financial infrastructure that can grow with you, allowing you to accept payments from anywhere in the world and settle funds efficiently in the currencies that make the most sense for your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.